block. And we'll come over here and measured all the cam bearings that you see right here. The 99, 203, and 03. Well, this one happens to have that size, even though it came out of a 03 Yukon. But that's what size we're gonna have to use. The older generation small ones, which I'm fine with because they're like everywhere I find they're like $10, $20 cheaper. So, and then I'll clean everything up. I finally got the shelf organized. Did some cleanup in the shop so it's not a disaster in here. But so I finally got the project truck into the shop. I sent the block out to the machine shop. They're gonna clean it. They're gonna do all the oil passageways, brush it out. And now you can see the damage that was done by the previous owner. I mean, they did an okay job. They didn't like cut the fuel lines. They had the right tool for that. They did yank a couple wires out of some plugs. You know, whatever. This is all scrap anyways. But we actually did pretty good, I think. It's not that bad. I forgot to mention, you see this right here and this right here? Usually there's like an aluminum crossbar that goes across the top and it holds the condenser and the radiator and the oil coolers and stuff. I'm not sure if everyone knows the damn bolt, because every time I go to the junkyard or I look at a truck that is being rebuilt, people just take a sawzall here or here for that tube. Stop doing that.